Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about loops in JavaScript. Loops are a basic part of programming and understanding them is very important for every developer. In this video we will look at different types of loops in JavaScript, how to use them and give some practice examples. Let's get started. Loops allow you to repeat the same action multiple times. Imagine you need to print numbers from 1 to 10, like this example. Without the loops, this would take a long because we need to using 10 line codes. But if we're using loop, we can use only 3 line codes. Okay, let's start with the for loop. Its syntax is like this for. This loop prints number from 1 to 10. Let's look at the console. Like you see, these two codes works the same. And let's look more thoroughly what will happen in this loop. First we initialize the new verb I with 1. Then the loop continues as long as I is less than or equal to 10, and each time we include I by 1 here. Okay, let's the next example. Next loop is named while. Create new variable. We can name b. And add condition. This loop does the same as the previous loop. We initialize the variable b with 1, and while b is less than or equal to 10, the loop runs, then b is increased by 1. Okay, first let's comment this code, and then I want to show you the last loop in JavaScript. Its name do while. We need to change code. And how does it work? First work body do, and next loop check condition. Let's open the window. Like you see, everything works okay, but we have one more iteration. Okay, and in the end I think we need to look some examples. Let's create array with users. And create objects and property like name, we can using Mitchell, and Emily, it doesn't matter, and also John. Okay, and each of them has salary. This salary is different. And image that we need to calculate their sum of their salary. Thanks to loop we can do it very easy. We can create let for our sum, and we need conditions. We can using users length, and now we can using I to iterate all our array. Let's look at the console. But don't forget about that array start with 0. And delete it, and now everything works. Like you see, we have all items, and now we can using their property. We need salary. Okay, and now we need only calculate this sum. And add console log. In the end, our loop print our sum, and look at the window. Like you see, calculate works, and we calculate sum all people's salary. Like you see, it's very important and very useful. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe on the channel, and see you in the next video.